Assalamu alaikum friends. Today's our topic is English essay on water. So let's start our topic. Water is one of the most important substances for life on earth to function. It is equally important for humans as well as animals. Water does not merely help us survive, but it is significant for our day-to-day functioning. It has numerous uses when we come to the about it. Majority of the earth is covered with water itself, but not all of it is safe consumption. Therefore, it makes it essential for us to utilize this transparent substance chemically wisely. As we have already said that water has numerous uses. We will see where it is used. This part will most importantly help us realize the importance of water. It will make humans aware of what absence of water in the following areas can do to human life. As India's main occupation is agriculture, water is exhaustively used here. Irrigation and cattle rearing requires a lot of water. Thus, a lot of farmer livelihood depends on it. Further, industries use water for various purposes. It comes in handy when cooling, manufacturing, and transporting several goods. For instance, thermal power plants consume quite a substantial amount of water for their running. Furthermore, the democracy use of water cannot be left behind. In the day-to-day life of the common man, water plays a vital role, that is to say, from drinking water to washing utensils, we need water every step of the way. After that, plants need water to survive and make food. It is one of the main elements which help them grow. Hence, water is extremely important for humans, animals, and plants to survive. While water is quite essential and yet so scarce, however, people fail to realize this fact. They waste water with little or no care for the results. There are various ways in which we can avoid wasting water. To begin with, all households and must they should fix them immediately, as every drop is precious. Similarly, we must use buckets instead of showers for bathing. This is very debatable topic and it need to be settled. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel and click on the notification bell for more updates and videos. Allah Hafiz.